Want to grow on YouTube in 2025? Here's a full step-by-step guide to starting your own YouTube channel from scratch, even if you have zero experience. In this video, I'll walk you through choosing your niche and video format, setting up your channel the right way, creating your first video with free tools, crafting clickable titles, thumbnails, and descriptions, uploading and optimizing your content for SEO, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours fast, secrets to boosting watch time and retention, and how to monetize your channel in 2025 even without ads. Whether you're starting with just a phone, no camera, or 0 subscribers, this is the ultimate beginner's YouTube guide you need. Ready to grow your channel, build your brand, and earn real income online? Let's get started. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me your channel idea. I'll personally reply with tips.